Alright, so I'm filming my box opening of my new Quartz Razer laptop. I gotta get scissors. Must have it prepared. I didn't think it was gonna come this fast. Alright. I'm back with scissors. I'll try and edit this video. I usually don't edit my videos. I kind of just wing it, but I know that it's going to take me a while to unpack this. So I've been wanting the Quartz Razer for a while now, ever since I think it was 2 years ago was their first release of the Quartz Razers. My cat's going to go up here and block the camera. And Squeegee, come on. That's my cat, Squeegee, as he puts his butt right in the camera. Come on. All right. And I just finally decided that when they came out with the 2020 a couple of days ago that I was going to finally order it. I guess we'll let the cat explore until he gets bored. Don't lay on it. I'm trying to open it. All right. Come on. The joys of living with a cat. All right. So. And for a long time, most of my life, I'm in my 30s, so most of my life, my favorite color was pink. But I've noticed within the last, hi Squidgy, within the last 2 or 3 years, my favorite color actually now is Tiffany blue. But they don't have a Tiffany blue Razer yet, so pink was about as close as I could get. And I was debating between this computer, the Razer Quartz, or the MSI Prestige Pink. And they had similar specs, but I read that the MSI Prestige runs hot. So MSI Prestige actually looked more pink. I haven't seen this in person, but from the videos I've seen, the Razer Quartz, it almost has like a metallic finish, which kind of makes it look more like rose gold than pink, at least to me. So we're getting ready. We're opening it up, and there's a box inside of the box, so we gotta take out this box. Here, Squeegee, here's a box for you to play in. And of course, there's more things that we have to cut off here. So I didn't order the mouse from Razer because I thought it was really expensive. I might end up ordering, they have a $59 one instead of the $169 one. But I ended up ordering from another company a pink like laptop stand that's aluminum and it's vented, so it should help dissipate the heat. And I ordered a pink laptop fan that you just sit underneath the laptop. Because I know that when you play games on a laptop, overheating can really impact the performance. And they keep making the laptop smaller but more powerful, so. And I might have this upside down. It's actually packed in here kind of weird. Oh, that's my power pack. Okay, so the first thing when you open it up, you take out the power pack right here. It's actually pretty heavy, pretty decent size power pack. I think this on the two sides might just be packing material, but I think it has to come out to be able to get that computer out from there. Wow, it's packed in there really tight. All right, here it comes. And it looks like the computer's gonna slide out with it. That's fine. All right, so say goodbye to that box. And now there's another box. Okay, so this is where you start to notice the Razer logos and insignias is on this hopefully last black box. So we've opened 3 boxes now and we still haven't seen the computer. When I watched other people unbox theirs, there was a pink box, so this might not be the last box. We might have a pink box inside here. Or for 2020, they might have decided just to go with their standard packaging. Yep, that's what they've done. There's no longer a pink box, but there definitely is a pink laptop, and it is very pink. I don't think it's showing up how pink it actually is on my camera. I don't have the best of lighting. It's fall. We're near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's all overcast, and it's early in the morning. Now, I just ordered this computer Thursday when they went on sale on Razer's website. Today is Monday. So as far as shipping and handling times go, that's only 3 business days. So it came very quickly. And I did not pay for upgraded shipping. That was just their standard shipping. I'm going to try and walk over and put this closer up to the computer to light. So this is it. I still have plastic on it right now. It's very pink. I don't think the camera is doing it justice. I'll take some pictures later with my camera and hopefully they'll come higher quality. See if we take that off, if that helps capture how pink it actually is. It's pretty thin, it's pretty lightweight. It's actually lighter weight than the HP Spectra that I'm using to film this. I had an HP Spectra as my sort of gaming computer because it did have an NVIDIA card. My HP Spectra, I think, was about 6.5 pounds, and the Razer, I can hold it in one hand, it's about 4.5 pounds. Power pack. So we're going to open it up and then I'll turn it so you guys can see it. Wow, it's definitely very pink. It's more pink than I thought it would be, and I think when you're watching people's videos, I don't know if it's the chrome finish on it reflecting the light, but on everyone's videos, this looks rose gold, but it's actually bubblegum pink. It's like a raspberry color. It's very pink. Like, you can't get it. I don't think you could get any pinker than this. And like I said, I feel like the video is not doing it justice for as how pink it actually is. I'm assuming it probably needs to charge up. My cat plays with all the packing. So I think I'll just walk this back over here so that you can see all the specifications. I'm going to read them to you and then I'll try and get them on the camera here so that you can see. It has the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti graphics card. It is VR ready. I'm not into VR yet because I just don't feel like there's very many good games that I would want to play. But that could change. So it has 6 gigabytes of GDDR6 VRAM, and then it has the 10th gen Intel Core i7 10750H processor, 6 cores, 12 threads, up to 5 gigahertz. And of course it has HDMI. I was reading all of those on a little sticker that is right there. Man, my camera on this HP Spectra is awful. It's all fuzzy, right? I don't know why it's so fuzzy. But this is it. This is the Quartz Razer for 2020. It's beautiful. It's definitely more pink than I imagined. I do love pink. You can see my pink nails. I've been wanting it for a long time, and right now might not have been the best time to purchase an expensive gaming laptop, but I am a gamer. I do play games, and it will definitely get a lot of use. I think that if I take some photographs of it with just my phone, maybe it'll show the pink a little bit better because it's definitely not showing as pink when I look at it right here. But this is it. This is my Razer Quartz 2020 15-inch Razer. I think they call it Blade gaming laptop. And it's very pink. It's more pink than what you're seeing on your screen. It's like if you've ever had raspberry ice cream or raspberry frozen yogurt, it's like that shade of pink.